Hello! After the length of my last video and the time it took to make, I thought this time we'd have a look at something a little bit quicker. In my previous videos you've seen my shiny transparent Amiga 500 Plus with its transparent A590 case and more recently a transparent PowerShark. The thing that really stands out, and not in a good way however, is the keyboard. Those keycaps look terrible and, well, they really are quite old. Now, I could retro bright them, but they're actually starting to get quite brittle. So instead, as they were on offer, I've purchased a new set, all rattling around in this box. So in this video, we're going to take a look at them and get them installed. This isn't a sponsored video, so I can be 100% honest about what I get. Now I did look for some transparent keycaps, but to be honest, I didn't really like how they looked. So instead, I ordered replacement keycaps with the Amiga 1200 style. Why the 1200 style? Well, I thought with the transparent case they'd probably work better than the A500 colour scheme. So let's take a look inside the box. So here's the box, and as you can see, this is the UK layout we're looking at. Opening up the box and a first look inside, I'm amazed nothing has come loose with the way I was shaking this box around. First, we have two different lengths of spacebar. I'm not sure if this comes across on the camera, but they are really vivid white, like a cold white. Then we have this bag of springs. I don't know if this is a complete replacement set or just spares, but we'll find out in a bit. Next, we have these two little bags of clips. These fit in the back of some of the larger keys so that the metal rods can move along them. Finally, let's have a look at the actual keys themselves. And unwrapping them, we find them all stuck down to this black plastic sheet. They are arranged in a little bit of a funny order, and you can see there's quite a few keys repeated. This is mainly to accommodate some of the different variants of keyboard, because on some keyboards, for example, these keys don't exist. Wow, these look so clean, and more importantly, they don't look yellow. Just a quick shout out and thanks to all of my Patreons, and if you want to support me in making these videos, then follow the link in the video description. So that's quite a comprehensive kit. All the keys, some replacement springs, those plastic bits that fit in the back of some of the larger keys as well. Everything you should need to replace them all. The only thing I'm surprised wasn't included in the kit was one of these keycap puller thingies. Anyway, let's get them installed. Wow, that sure did take a while, and I was glad of the replacement springs too, as a few pinged off in random directions. I'm sure I'll find them at some point. There were a few spares left over in the box too, so that's good. One interesting thing to note though was those little white clip things. They actually came in two different sizes and only one worked with this keyboard. I also noticed there weren't quite enough of them for a full replacement. Also with the spacebar, my spacebar had very long versions of those and there wasn't an equivalent in the box. Not to worry, but it all worked out okay in the end. As for those of you that have wondered, I've put the old keys back in the packaging in case they need them again. Anyway, here's a few close-up shots of the Amiga reassembled with the new keycaps. They're so bright, it's really hard to get used to them. Maybe I should have gone with the A500 colour scheme. And there we go! My Amiga 500 Plus now looks a little bit smarter. I hope you found that interesting. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.